In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for Appwrite. If you're new to Appwrite, it's a developer platform that gives you authentication, databases, storage, functions, and more, all managed in the cloud. We'll keep this quick and clear so you can get set up and start building right away. Open your browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Appwrite. You'll see a result labeled Appwrite, the developer's cloud. Click that result to go to the official site. If you see ads or similar names, make sure the domain is appwrite.io so you're in the right place. On the Appwrite homepage, look to the top right and click Start Building for free. That takes you to the console sign-in screen. Since you're creating a new account, choose Sign Up. You'll be taken to the registration page with a few options. If you prefer a one-click flow and already use GitHub, you can select Sign Up with GitHub. This authorizes Appwrite to use your GitHub identity, which keeps things simple and avoids another password to remember. Follow the prompts in your browser and you'll come right back once it's connected. If you'd rather create an account with email, stay on the form and fill in your name, your email address, and a strong password. A good rule of thumb is to use at least 12 characters, mix upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid anything you use elsewhere. This helps protect your projects and any data you'll manage later. Below the fields, you'll see a checkbox acknowledging the privacy policy and the general terms of use. Give those a quick skim so you understand what you're agreeing to, then check the box. With your details in place and the agreement confirmed, click Sign Up. That's it for creating your account. You should be taken into the Appwrite console, where you can start a new project, explore databases, authentication, and other services. If the interface looks slightly different depending on updates, the core flow is the same. Homepage, start building for free, sign up, then choose GitHub or email and password. A few quick tips as you wrap up. If you can't find the Start Building for Free button, look for a similar call to action in the top navigation. If the sign up button seems disabled, double check that your email format is correct, your password meets requirements, and the terms checkbox is selected. And if you prefer a faster login later, you can link your GitHub option now or add it in your account settings once you're inside the console. You're all set. Enjoy building with Appwrite, and I'll see you in the next one.